hello there. You must be the new transfer student. Welcome to the Tensei Academy Dormitory, your home away from home. I'm Kobayashi, the dorm supervisor. Great to finally meet you. It must have been tough getting here from so far away. I'd love to show you to your room now, but...
Good morning, Tensei Academy students. As always, make sure not to lose track of time playing Shadowverse. Tardiness will not be tolerated.
Yup, right on time. You better get going. I don't want you to be late for your first day of class. You'll find your classroom on the second floor of the East Wing. I'll take care of your luggage, so off you go. Seems like a nice kid. I hope this school will be a good fit. What's this?
I'm losing steam fast. But we're in the home stretch now. Time for the final sprint.
No running in the hall. That's just common sense. How many times do I need to warn you, Mr. Yugasaki?
Kagura!
I have enough to deal with as student council president without having to babysit you at the same time. And you, breaking school rules on our first day, are we?
Wait! This is all my fault! I'm the one who said we should run!
I'm not asking whose fault it is. This is a matter of common sense. In any case, I suggest you hurry if you don't want to be tardy. But absolutely no running.
Whew! Dodged a bullet there. She shouldn't be allowed to pop out of nowhere like that. That's Kagura Kirisame, and she's one stickler of a student council press. She's always hounding everybody about producing results, whatever that means. Anyway, we gotta hustle. Let's get running. Power walking. And they crossed the finish line.
Yo, cutting it pretty close, you know?
We were afraid you'd be late again.
My bad, you guys. But get this! I made a new friend on the way.
Hey, nice to meet ya. I'm... Got it. Wait, are you really in our class? Why don't I remember you?
You must be the new transfer student.
Wait, what? No wonder I didn't know your name.
Sorry, you must have had quite a morning. Hiro can be a little too friendly sometimes. He means well, really. I'm Mimori Amamiya, by the way. Nice to meet you.
Guess we ought to take our seats. You can sit next to me.
Actually, you might want to wait in the hall for now. You'll probably have to...
Oh yeah, I forgot about...
What else is there? Oh, are you on the school...
What's wrong?
Oh, did you forget something? You'd better hurry.
Just make a run for it. There's no way Mr. Makise's gonna be on time anyway, you know?
Oh, Mr. Makise's our homeroom teacher. It used to be Mr. Isozaki, but then he moved to another school, and Mr. Makise took his place.